Hello, everybody. Welcome. Day 7 already of us working in this stunning book, 31 Miniatures to Color Till Halloween by Kameliya and Jacova. Let's see. First week is almost done. And today we are going to do this lovely page. And as I said yesterday, I was thinking about doing the blue combination that I usually use for the eyes, and I stick to that one. And we're not going to do traditional Halloween colors, as you can see in my color palette. It is a little bit more pastel, fresh this time. Again, I have the black Jelly Roll glaze. I think this one is going to go empty at the end of the book. And of course, my Signo, a broad tip. I still have to think, I think the little spider is going to be a dark gray, because if I use a black, all the details are going to fade out. As you saw with the hat of the little ghostie we did yesterday. You see there, you can see, almost cannot see where the rim is. So I did some white accents to give it an idea that there is still a rim in the hat. Okay, well, let's see if we can finish this one. As you know, it's going to be a short and sweet video. Keep it simple, because we have a lot of work to do this month. But get your supplies, maybe get a little drink, and let's have some fun. Well, sometimes things happen. I already recorded a part where I colored the leaf, and then I found out I didn't have the mic on. So I'm going to do this again. Oh, it's sometimes the chaos in my head. I colored the leaf, number 7, but that's least important. We finished this page. Page number 7, and it couldn't be a bigger contrast comparing to this one. This is the harsh colors, the Halloween colors, and this is more subtle. Love how he, she, they, them turned out. Don't know. Love the color combination of the blues, and the camera does not pick it up really well, but I did a bit of shading with the same color. That's the easiest way to do shading. Jelly roll glaze in the eyes and some white accents with a pink pen. She's cute. Keep calling she. Absolutely adorable. What are we going to do tomorrow? Oh, yes. My brain clicks in a split second. I see sage green, red hair, light gray skin. I'm going to do a kind of Frankenstein. I'm sorry. Frankenstein-like page. Maybe even do a gray black flower. So this is going to be a really fun page. Page number 8. So I'm looking forward to doing that one. And we are on the road, folks. The first week is done. If you're still with me, I'm super proud. So I love to see all your finished pages.